Today I have a terracotta pot and its plate, and I'm going to start by painting these in Republic Red. I'm using a foam brush from Jen to apply my paint, and it did require 2 coats. Now the project I'm working on today, I'm sure I'm not the first one that has ever made one of these. So if you have made one, please post your version in the comments. Once I completed my Republic Red on both the pot and the plate and allowed to dry, I used my salve as a barrier around my entire pot, avoiding the surface, the top portion of the pot where the hole is, as I'm going to be using glue there, and I wanted to make sure it adhered. This is just a wipe on, wipe off method. I found this stencil at the Dollar Tree. I'm sure some of you have seen these rotating stencils. This one was really cute. It had hearts on it. I took it off this cardboard here, and because I'm using a curved surface, I decided to cut all my hearts out of the stencil to make it easier for application. I chose the heart that I wanted to use. It kind of reminded me of a keyhole. Now, take note, because I used the salve and didn't wait, I was having a hard time applying my tape. So if you're new to stenciling and feel holding it would be difficult, I would use varnish or the 1-hour enamel or a top coat of your choice. Using a dabber and very, very little paint. You do not need a lot of paint. I'm just dabbing throughout my stencil. I kind of had to flatten it on the left, flatten it in the center, and then move my finger over to the right and flatten it there to make it kind of hold down. Now, you see that little bit I got on the side? I would not be able to wipe it off if I did not have that barrier. As terracotta pots are very absorbent, it would not have, I believe I would have had a difficult time getting that paint off. So now I'm taking some E6000 and applying it around the top rim. Now remember the snowman globes I made earlier for Christmas? I took one of the globes and emptied it and cleaned it and glued it to the top of my pot. I filled it up with candy and then added the lid and kept this mobile so I can open and shut my jar. I took this little wood half bead. You can get these right at Hobby Lobby in a pack of about 6 to 10, something like that. And I painted it white. And I'm going to put that aside to dry. I took this cord that I picked up at the Dollar Tree back in the fall and had some left over and wrapped it around the base of the globe. And I made a quick bow with the gingham and held that together with some white sheer ribbon. I took the E6000 and glued my little piece of bead, half bead at the top, and then glued my bow to the front. And there you go. Now you have this cute little Valentines candy jar. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. For all paint products, brushes, transfers, or tissue paper, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.